to my channel. I'm kidding, sorry. What the heck is up? My name is Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and today we're gonna learn a brand new trick. This is one of my new creations. It's called Chaotic Paper Airplanes, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Just know there's a lot of flourishes that you can put on this trick to make it your own, throw it into combos, whatever, so feel free to customize it. And you guessed it, I'm using a Rain City Skills yo-yo. Today we're using the Guitarist. I have a review on this on my channel if you'd like to check that out. And just know if you're watching this in real time, we are about to release the Sk8r C Bearing yo-yo. So make sure you go check that out. Okay, so let me show you the trick and we'll break it down in its most basic form so you can learn it. Let's go. So the first step of this trick is a kamikaze mount. Now you can do whip to kamikaze, you can do a normal kamikaze, whatever you want. I'm just gonna do the basic mount like this, so in a Houdini mount, and pop it up into the top string and land it there. So that is the first step of this trick. Next step is kind of like a rail combo. So you're in your mount, you're gonna roll off to the side. It's gonna be this triangle shape. You're gonna roll it onto the front string, so it looks like this, and then you're gonna roll it back on. Okay, so that is the second step. So now you should be able to go into the mount like this, roll off, roll on, roll off again, and then you're going to swing it all the way around towards your non-throw hand. Waboo. Okay, so that's what that next part looks like. Altogether, this is what you should have so far. Okay, stop there. Now you're in this configuration, you're going to mount the yo-yo on a double string in the front, like this. It's gonna look like little bunny ears. You're gonna mount it on two strings and then hop it towards this back string, towards your belly. This is what that part looks like. Ta-da, ta-da, and boom. Okay, and then hop it towards you. Now you're gonna be in this configuration. Make sure you've got that down before you try this next part. So now we're really into the unique part of the trick. So you're gonna do this, land here. You're gonna curl this non-throw hand finger in and kind of pull through. So this, you can see this string just came off here. Okay, so we are curling this finger in, and then we're gonna reject this string coming off your throw hand off of the yo-yo from the back. That happened really quick because I've got a nice thick yo-yo, so let me do it again. Here, and boom. See how that pops right off? I'm just using like my thumb and my middle finger to get that off. And then you're gonna drop everything and kind of shake it out and turn your throw hand towards your non-throw hand, basically. And you're gonna just have like a keychain like dangling loop, okay? Like this. So, what we have so far, we have our mount, roll off, roll on, roll off around, here, jump back onto this string, here, curl this finger, reject, turn towards yourself and drop. Okay? So that is the full first part. Okay, so when we're here, we're going to turn this hand and we're going to flip it forward and towards you, like this, okay? So all I did was here, ta-da, okay? So basically everything needs to fall just so for this next part. So if it's frustrating, it can be. So you've got this, you flip it towards you, and then the strings are going to fall like this. There's going to be one that's here, okay, there's gonna be two closer together, and you want this back string, you're just gonna pull it out, and it's gonna form this gondola-like faux green triangle, and it's a slip knot. So you're just going to pull it, okay, and once it hits your finger, you're gonna stick it through and forward, okay? So that's the next step. It's really hard to break down on camera, but I'll show you a couple times. A quick note, when I was learning this trick, it was hard because I kept pulling the third string but not getting it. It all depends on how the string rejects off the yo-yo and you turn your hand. So make sure you watch the video on how I do it carefully because it all helps with the string placement. Okay. So here, flip towards me. Okay, there's a little X shape here. This is the third string, it's closest to my body. I'm gonna pull it out. There's a gondola, kind of green triangle shape, and then boom, I'm gonna stick my non-throw hand pointer into this loop that was created. Sometimes it's a little hard because your strings won't separate, so just do it as far away as possible, and then you just drop, okay? And you should be in a twisted trapeze. You may also find at this point that the yo-yo dies quickly. This is not you, it's just all the wraps around the bearing at this point. So use a wider gap yo-yo if you can, that will help you out, or anything that's stable once you're going off plane, that will help you too, because you're gonna want to preserve the spin of the yo-yo as long as you can. Okay, so now we're in the last part of the trick. We're gonna go into that gondola and then put our finger through. You're gonna have a twist in the yo-yo like this. So watch my hands here. They go, whoop, bam. Okay, so there's a roll with the yo-yo and there's also an unwind with your throw hand. If you're used to weaving tricks or any trick with a wrap in it, that's what I'm doing. So make sure you watch that part carefully, slow it down if you need to. Again. Okay, so once you unroll the yo-yo, you're really just in a trapeze. You're gonna do an Eli hop and then you're gonna bind however you want. I like to do this bind. You see me do that a lot, so that's what I usually do with this trick, but that is the full trick. So let's break this down one more time. So the first part of the trick is just that combo. Boom, boom, okay? Next part, twist this in, reject. Next part, turn and spin towards you. Take the back part, here, slip through, unwind, hop, and bind. I know that this is one of those tricks that's difficult to see on camera, so if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below, and feel free to slow the video down, watch it a few times to make sure you get it. Definitely recommend something with wide rims if you're having trouble with the yo-yo going off plane, and something with a wide gap as well if the yo-yo is dying on you before you complete the trick. Feel free to write comments or questions below, and always be respectful. Make sure you pick up the brand new C Bearing Sk8r yo-yo out October 28th. And you can pick up the Guitarist as well. I will leave details in the description below. Thank y'all so much for watching. My name's Ashley, aka AT Yoyo Superstar. See you next time. Goodbye.